Welcome back, my dear students. I'll continue with part 6 of Watchman of the Lake here. So, have a nice thing in your day or night. Let me continue. Here, after Mara telling his son to tell the man who brought a cow to make it drink water, a visitor visits Mara. Then, a visitor visits Mara, and then some technical problem was there. Okay, let me continue. Mara invites him to his hut. He offers him some food. Let us see what he is going to give in his heart, and let us go through their conversation. Come, have some food, my food. Let us have some food. He said so, and takes him into his heart. Then he continues. There is bound to be something you can munch. Thou nothing very good. My wife is away. I and my son are running the house. Visitor, I come all the way to ask a favor of you. Okay, how does Mara say? Mara is very polite. Let's have something you can munch, you can eat. ನೀನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಅಂಬ್ಲಿನೋ ಗಂಜಿನೋ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ even though it is not nice because my wife is away. I and my son are running the house. I and my son are running the house. So let's have something. Visitor. I come all the way to ask a favor of you. The visitor says, Mara, please do a favor of me. For that, I came all the way. I started walking by the previous evening and reached here now. For one favor for me, Mara, please do that favor for me. I want to ask you a favor. You know, our village is the farthest in our king's domain, and crops patch up, and cattle are dying of drought. Will you give us some water? Certainly, brother. It's here for all the king's subjects to take. Visitor continues. Mara, you know, our village is the farthest in our king's domain. ಆಯನ್ ಕೆರೆ ನೀರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ತಲುಪೋದು ಆ ಥರ ದೂರದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ತಲುಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೈತರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಚಪ್ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ತಲುಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಚಪ್ ಬೆಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಣಗೋಗಿದೆ ಪಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಣಗೋಗುದು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಚಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೌಟ್ ದನ ಕರೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಗಾಲದಿಂದ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡ್ರೌಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬರಗಾಲ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೌಟ್ will you give us some water, Mara? Mara, give us some water. Please release water for us. Mara assures him. Certainly, brother. It's here for all the king's subjects to take. Definitely, brother. It is here for all the king's subjects to take place. Please take. Definitely, Mara. Definitely, brother. Sorry. Definitely, brother. Mara says. It's here for all the king's subjects to take. It is equally given to all the king's subjects. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇನು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಸ್ tomorrow I will come with you and see where you can lay the channels and as soon as I have done it the water is yours. It will be let to you according to the law laid down by the king. Okay, tomorrow I will come to your village and see where you can lay the channels. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. As soon as I have done it, as soon as I have made the channels ready for the water to flow, the water is yours. Prepare channels. I will come and tell you where and when to prepare the channels. Do it. When it is done, I'll release the water. It will be led to you according to the law laid down by the king. It will be led to you. The water will be released to you according to the law laid down by the king. It is not my law. What the king says, what the king does as a law, according to that law, the water is yours. Mara is not taking his own decision. He is proud of having becoming watchman, but he was at the same time obedient to the king, and also he is a very strict follower of the rules and regulations. It's very important when you are going to work in a company, you have to follow them. What they say, you have to follow. Don't take your own decision that makes you harm. Here, learn this lesson from Mara. He did not say, I'll release water. He says that according to the law laid down by the king only, you will get your water. That's what you have to do. Otherwise, in your company, you will be fired. Take care of all these things. You have to learn so many things in literature that helps your life. How? Do you notice? There the heart of the lake muddying. It was sapphire like only a moment ago. Ah, see those clouds at the mountain top. There is heavy rain there. Veda is swelling and carrying mud and flood into the lake. I must keep an eye on her tonight. Why? Come here. Let's go in. I fear there will be heavy rain on us soon. He tells the visitor. Suddenly observes the western sky. How do you notice? There the heart of the lake is muddying. He looks at the center of the lake. It starts muddying. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಲ್ಲ ಮಡ್ಡಿ ಹೆಸರು. ಓ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಡ್ಡಿ ಕೆಸರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನಿದು? ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಫೈರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ago. It was deep blue a moment ago. It was so clear a moment ago, a few minutes ago. It was so clear, but now it starts muddying. Oh, see those clouds at the mountain top. Oh, those clouds at the mountain top, at the Papadon hilltop. There is a heavy rain there. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಕೆಸರು ನೀರು, ಹೊಸ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕೆರೆಗೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? The center of the lake is muddying, started muddying. Veda is swelling. Veda is swelling means ಉಬ್ಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಬ್ಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನರ್ಥ? ಗಾಯ ಉಬ್ಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ. Rising the level. The level of Veda is rising and carrying mud and flood into the lake. Veda level rise ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Mud and flood into the lake. ಕೆಸರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವೇದಾ ನದಿಗೆ. I must keep an eye on her tonight. I must keep an eye. I must take care of the lake tonight. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕೆರೆ ಕಾಯಲೇಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಯಲೇಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Why? Come here. Come. Let's go in. ಹೋಗೋ ಬರೋ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. I fear there will be heavy rain on us today soon. There will be heavy rain. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಜೋರ್ ಮಳೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿದೆ. ಬಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಗನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ. Scene 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀನ್. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಳೆ ತುಂಬ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ had happened. Now, late at night, ತಡರಾತ್ರಿ, ಸುಮಾರು ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Torrential downpour and a shrieking storm. The king's palace, the bell at the palace gate ringing incessantly. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ತುಂಬಾ ತಡರಾತ್ರಿ. ಟೊರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೌನ್ಪೋರ್, ಧಾರಾಕಾರ ಮಳೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಶ್ರೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್, ಸುಯಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುವ ಗಾಳಿ. ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೀಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್, ದೃಶ್ಯ ರಾಜನ ಅರಮನೆ. ದ ಬೆಲ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ದ ಬೆಲ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಅದು. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಂಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಾರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಯದ ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದ ಬೆಲ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, continuously. Incessantly means continuously. King wakes up. Who is urgently summoning me at this hour? Who is urgently calling me? Summoning, calling. Who is urgently summoning me at this hour? At this time? Who is there? What has happened in this terrible night of storm? Go down and see who it is. The king orders a servant to go. What has happened in this terrible night of storm? ಇಂಥ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಟೆರಿಬಲ್ ನೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಭಯಂಕರ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಹೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಯಾರೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. The bell ceases and sound of footsteps. ಗಂಟೆ ಬರ್ಸೋದು ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತೆ. The bell stops. Ceases means here stops and sound of footsteps. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ರಾಜ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, Who are you, man? What has happened? That you should be calling us this hour. Why are you gasping so badly? I've been running. Who are you, man? What has happened? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ನೀನು? You should be calling us this hour. You are calling us this hour. You have come to meet us this hour. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Why are you gasping so badly? Why are you gasping so badly? ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏದುಸಿರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, ಏದುಸಿರು. ಉಸಿರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತರ ಇದೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಪಿಂಗ್, ಏದುಸಿರು ಬಿಡೋದು, ಓಡಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಬಿನ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್, ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? ವಾಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್? ಈ ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ನೀನು? ವಾಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಯಾಕೆ? ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮಾರಾ, ವಾಚ್ಮನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೇಕ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈ. So the king did not recognize Mara because Mara was completely soaked in rain and looking as a different person. I am Mara, watchman of the lake, most high. Nanu Mara, Prabhugale. Mara, how different you are now. Battered by this rain, with your hair plastered on your face and all that water dripping down. Mara, how different are you now? ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು? ಹೇಗೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ರೈನ್, ಈ ಮಳೆ ಬಡಿತದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಮಳೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ನಿನಗೆ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್, ತಲೆಗೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರಿಪಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ತಲೆಗೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ all that water dripping down from your body. Mara, how different you are looking tonight. Mara, I beg your majesty's grace for bringing my presence here in state. I come running, battling with roaring wind and through slush and raging torrents. Forgive me, your majesty. I am trembling with the message within me. May I utter it? I beg your majesty's grace. I beg your majesty's grace. That means, I request your majesty's kindness to me for bringing my presence here in state. Sorry for coming here. Please, I beg your pardon for coming here at this time and in this state. State mean ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು. I come running, battling with roaring wind. I come running. ಓಡಿ ಬಂದೆ ನಾನು. Battling with roaring wind. Battling means fighting. Fighting with the wind. Roaring wind. The wind was blowing so fast that Mara cannot face it. Even in spite of that wind blowing speed, Mara reached the palace. He says, and through slush and raging torrents I battled. ನಾನು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದೆ, ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಲಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಟೊರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಬೋರ್ಗರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಪ್ರವಾಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Forgive me, your majesty. I am trembling with the message within me. I am trembling with the message within me. There is a message to pass to you. May I utter it? May I tell it? Utter means tell, say. May I tell it? What message is there to you in my heart? Carrying that message, my heart is trembling. I am trembling with the message in my heart. I have brought some message to you. That message is not a good message. May I utter it? He is seeking the permission of the king to tell it. Without his permission, he should not have told anything. You should know very well. Without asking, don't answer anything to your boss. Only answer to the questions to your boss in your company. That's what you are going to learn. May I utter it? May I tell you, Your Majesty? Yes. The king gives permission. My lord, it is about the lake. It is about the lake. I feel faint to mention it. Vara was not able to talk continuously. His words are breaking. Why? Because he was so much afraid of the message. The message in his heart was so terrible, so horrible. Let us see what it is. My lord, it is about the lake. It is about the lake. ತಡೆದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ. I feel faint to mention it. If I tell it, I may fall unconscious. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭುಗಳೇ. I feel faint. Faint ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. Unconscious. ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. King becomes very anxious. Oh, tell me what has happened. Oh, tell me, Mara, what has happened? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? It is about to smash its bounds. It's about to smash its bounds. Bounds means here banks. It means here Veda. Veda is about to smash its bank. Veda ತನ್ನ ದಂಡೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಜಜ್ಜಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೋಯ್ತು. ವೇದ ಅಯ್ಯನ್ ಕೆರೆ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೊಡೆದೋಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶ್. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶ್, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೊಡೆದೋಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಈಟ್, ಇನ್ನೇನು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇನ್ನೇನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೌಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಆ ಬೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ ವೇದ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಭಯ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕಿಂಗ್, ಮಾರಾ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಡ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್? ಮಾರಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಡ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್? ಮಾರಾ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ತಲೆ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ತಲೆಗೆಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕೆರೆ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ. ಮಾರಾ ಕಡೆ, Your Majesty, till the evening there was no sign of a coming rain. It was a beautiful bright day, unruffled. The lake mirrored the blue sky on its bosom. Your Majesty, till the evening there was no sign of a coming rain. Mahaprabhu, till the evening, in ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ, there was no sign of a coming rain. There was no sign at all. ಗುರ್ತೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಬರೋ ಗುರ್ತೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. It was a beautiful bright day. Till evening, it was a beautiful bright day. Unruffled, the lake mirrored the blue sky on its bosom. Unruffled, there were no waves in the lake. The lake was so quiet like mirror. And blue sky was reflecting from that lake. Blue sky was reflecting from that lake. The lake was so calm till yesterday evening. Thank you. I stop here and I'll continue with the next session. Till then, bye.